Dr. Grinnell, thank you for coming.
Of course.
We wanted to talk about your promotion to full professor. You have a very impressive CV. BS from Yale, botany doctorate from Harvard and another from Stanford, a year in the field with Dr. Ellie Sattler, multiple NSF grants, dozens of publications, H-index of 212. Really impressive.
Thank you.
And yet, something's missing.
Missing?
A crucial source, either misplaced or disturbingly destroyed, but there were traces and shadows of it everywhere. And just last night, I received a package from someone identifying themselves as Sound Guy. In it was a tape recording of one of your more unconventional experiments. I don't want to jump to conclusions, so I suggest we watch it and then you can explain.
Does this look okay?
I'm already rolling on sound, so...
Just act natural. We're ready.
Okay.
Cue cards are ready.
When I tell you that botany is about the plant kingdom, you may think of this. But botany is about more than just flowers, even though the flowers are beautiful. It's a science. The coolest thing about being a botanist is that I don't have to do my science in a lab. My laboratory is the whole world. No, my laboratory is the whole world. I don't know, what do you think? My laboratory is the whole world.
Savannah, is it safe in there?
Of course it's safe in there. This area is full of native local plants, and they've been pretty happy here for hundreds of years, since before you or I were even born. But in the last few years, climate change gives us longer and hotter periods of drought, which causes wilting of the leaves, premature abscission, and delayed or ineffective, non-existent production of flowers and seeds.
What does abscission mean?
Oh, that means defloration.
What does defloration mean?
That means when the leaves fall off the trees or the plants.
What's a leaf?
So I've spent the last few years in a prairie near here trying to figure out how to help these plants adapt.
I don't know. Don't say anything. Don't. Hey, it's safe out here, right? I mean, we just saw.
I mean, I feel like that's been there for weeks. You know, there are some coyotes around here, but they mostly come out at night. Mostly. Come on.
Hey, no,
We got this.
Wait, hey, listen. I lived in New Mexico for like a long time. There's coyotes everywhere. Coyotes don't take people. So I don't know what you... This is not a coyote. Coyote did not do this. Hey, man, look. I ain't
Nothing
signed up for
scary,
this, man.
nothing dangerous. Let's just keep going.
I need the work, man. Come on, just hang on. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
Come on.
What's that?
That is my jam. It stands for jicama-derived atropinic monopolyamine. It's my secret sauce. It also goes really well on bagels or with apple cider donuts. I'm just kidding about that part. It just goes in the plants.
Is that legal?
It's not illegal. Good job, little guy.
What was that? Hey! Dr. Grinnell, we just lost our sound guy.
Where's he going? Look, there's all kinds of animals out here. To me, that sounded like it was probably just a chipmunk. Or maybe multiple chipmunks. I mean, I see them out here by the dozen.
I think our sound guy just got killed. I don't think that was a chipmunk.
Maybe he just wasn't up to this task. Look, I paid you for the day, and I saved the best experiment for last. I really want to make sure that we get it into today's episode. It's really important, okay? Come on, you got this. We can do it. Come on.
This is not worth my day rate. What am I doing? This is nuts.
We're coming up on an area of my special attention where I've been conducting intensive experiments on multiple species of plants.
Wait, what kind of experiment? Is this your jam that you're using here?
Oh no, it's not my jam. It's a different substance that I call jelly. It's intended to make the plant especially hardy and especially drought resistant. They just look so cute, don't you think?
Wait, cute? Are you insane? What
Well,
are you
yeah,
talking
all plants
about?
Are cute. These, I don't know, they almost look like beagles, don't you think?
Beagles? What the heck? Wait, this one's moving. What?
What? Hang on a
Savannah,
sec.
what is
This
going
shouldn't
on?
be- What is going on? I don't understand. My jam?
I'm getting out of here.
No! What did I do? Oh my God!
What do you have to say for yourself?
Listen, I can explain. Don't worry. I know you're beautiful. You're just a survivor. Yes, you are. Yes, you're a very good boy. Yes, you are.